And when you're running the power supply for your both of your motherboards, make sure you use that end only, the 24-pin one on your main motherboard. These two ones here on the other side are two power plugs, and those are the ones that plug right into the power supply. And another thing I noticed about the power supply, which is pretty cool, on one end they have PSU on one end to stand for power supply unit, so that you know which side goes on the right. And then when you look on the other side, it says PCIe-E.